So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is a beautiful afternoon to be out here in the woods. I am out here on a section of trail that I built this past summer. I had that John Deere 333G skid loader with the diamond disc mulcher on it. Worked out really well, but this section of trail that I'm on right here, it's got a lot of side hill lean to it. It's a little bit too much for the tractor. I knew I couldn't come through this section right here, but even out there a little bit further, I was sliding a little bit the other day. So while I have this machine here, I have a Bobcat E85 excavator. I just replaced a bunch of culvert pipes down at my mom's place. It's a rental machine from Bobcat of Pittsburgh, and they're coming to pick it up tomorrow. So I brought it up to the house to clean it up, and I figure while it's here, this should only take me about an hour to get about 300-400 feet of trail leveled up. It should work out pretty good. Alright, so here's a look at the machine. Like I said, it's a Bobcat E85. It is a big mini excavator. Actually, you probably call these a compact excavator. It weighs in at about 17,000 pounds. So what I need to do, I know it's kind of hard to tell on video, but I got a lot of side hill lean going this way. I mean, really the high side's probably 2.5 feet higher than the low side. Now, I don't even want to make it quite level. I'm okay with a little bit of slope this way, but not too much, because if you pitch it back into the hill, then your water's going to lay on the inside, then you got to put pipes in and things like that. And it's just a trail, you know. I mean, I'm not building a driveway. If I was building a driveway or something, it'd be a whole different story. You'd have to strip all this topsoil off, and it'd be a whole thing. I just kind of want to level it up real quick, and it's really just going to be for the tractors and the side-by-side and things like that. So I'm going to get started here. This first section's about, I don't know, 250 feet long. Shouldn't take long at all.
Sunrise in my eyes, just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door. My ride sweeter to meet the one I love. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. Oh, it's sweeter the first time around. Oh, it's sweeter the time here and now. Oh, it's sweeter the first time around. Oh, it's sweeter the time here and now. I played the dice right and let the good times roll. One knee and one ring, forever it's our show. I don't know how and don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
have it. It's pretty wet, pretty sloppy. The roots were kind of giving me fits, but you just kind of have to try to wear the dirt out, I guess. You know, the more you move it around, the more dirt falls out of those little root balls and stuff. But by next spring, next summer, you know, this will get some vegetation on it, and you won't even really know I was in here. It should work out all right. Like right now, I can run the Ranger on it. It's still too wet and sloppy right now for the tractors, but if it freezes, no problem at all. And then, you know, next summer it should work out just fine. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.